We are live. Okay, today's date, 3/6/2020. The objective is to make linear equations from a point and a slope. That's all you need. All you need. So, when you think about this, if I have a point somewhere, and I know the slope, like let's say up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, I'd have a line. You guys agree? I mean, if you have a point and slope, you can make a line. Got a point, got a slope, no problem. But the hard part is coming up with the equation. Now that's what we want to do today, is make the equation. Because we could graph it, and graphing will always work, but sometimes the graph is way off your graph. It makes it difficult, right? So how does it work? So first of all, we're going to use a point slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, okay? So if I take a look at problems 1 through 6, they already gave me the slope, right? So 1 through 6, there's only really 2 steps, not 3 steps, okay? Because we already know the slope. So in example 1, I'm just going to go ahead and try and use this equation right here. Negative 2 is my x, 1 is my y, x1, y1, right? So that's my negative 2 is going to go right there, and my 1 is going to go right there, okay? My negative 3 for my slope is going to go right there. So I'm going to rewrite this as y minus 1, so I'm going to put up my 1 in for y1, equals negative 3 times x minus a negative 2. So what I did is I put the negative 2 there, and I put the 1 there, and I put the negative 3 there.
Okay, I did it right.
So now I got to do is just fix this. I mean, my answer is correct, but let's make it look nicer, okay? So let's tidy up my answer. So that's like a double negatives plus, so I'm going to have a y minus 1 equals a negative 3x minus 6, right? That times that times that. Plus 1, I'm running out of room, I'll squeeze it over here. Next time I do this, I'll try and give more room on this, okay? So my answer would be a y equals a negative 3x minus 6, okay? All right, let's cross out number 2 just so I have room to do number 3, okay? Cross out number 2, I just don't have enough room. Cross out 5 also because I just need the room, okay? Okay? All right. So number 3. Ready? Let's take a look at number 3. So I'm going to put my negative 1 goes there. My negative 2 is going to go there. And my slope, which is my negative 1, is going to go there. Okay? How's that sound? Okay, see it? So I'm going to put those in there. I'm going to rewrite this as a y minus a negative 2 equals negative 1 times my x minus a negative 1. Okay? And then that's correct, but it should be tight. Let's tidy it up a little bit. Let's tidy it up. Okay, so I'll have a y plus 2 equals a negative 1 times x plus 1, right? And then I'll go a y plus 2 equals, and I'll distribute that times that times that, negative 1x minus 1. I'm going to go minus 2, minus 2. I'll have a y equals a negative 1x minus 3, okay? And I think that's all I'll do is just those two on that one because I'm running out of room, and that's all you need is just two examples. You guys agree? 2 examples enough? Okay, now, number 7. Okay. So in number 7, I personally would not use the formula. I can get this answer from the graph.
Yeah.
Right? Would you guys agree? So I'm a firm believer in if there's an easy way to do it, let's do it, okay? So I can figure out the slope already. Let's slope up 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And over 2. So I already know my slope on this one, right? So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2. My slope is up 4 over 2, which is just 2 over 1. You guys agree? And what's my y-intercept? Guys agree? B is -4. I could use a formula, but if it's easier just to get it from the graph. So let's go y equals 2 over 1x minus 4. How's that? Okay, why don't you guys try number 8 on your own. Okay, I'll give you a moment to get 8. Okay, everybody try and do 8. Just try it on your own to do 8. You should be able to do 8 on your own, okay? Try and do 8 on your own. Okay, I got a slope of down 3 over 3, which reduces to -1, right? So let's see, let's count it. Down 1, 2, 3, down 3 over 1, 2, 3. Yeah, -3 over 3 is slope, which is just -1. We agree with that? Okay, good. And what's my B? What's my y-intercept on this one? It is at B is 3. So did you get this answer? Y equals -1x plus 3. Show me your hands. How many kids got that answer?
I got it right.
Okay. Okay, let's try number 9. You guys try number 9. I want you to do number 9. Okay. Okay, see if you can get 9 without my help. Okay. Blaze, you guys got it?
How do you find the B?
Great question. You ready? Watch. It is where it crosses the y-axis. Always. Good question, Wayne. So, yeah. Okay. Good question. So here's what I got. I got a y equals a 1/2 x minus 2. Give me a thumbs up. I want to see how many kids got that answer. Luke, is that you got it? Okay. There you go. Okay. Try number 10. Okay, I want everybody to try number 10. Down 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Down 2. So it's be negative. So down 2 over 8, which is the same thing as, oh, it's going to be 0, right? Yeah. Yes. Yes, yes. I get a y equals a -1/4 x plus 0. Okay?
Y equals negative.
Perfect. Yeah.
How do you know if it's plus or minus?
Great question. Okay, you need this right here. Okay, so you ready? We're going downhill.
No, I meant like before the zero?
Well, cause, see the way the slopes are?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now, hands up. How many people got that answer? Okay. Now, Lane said you don't need the zero. Everybody agree? You don't need the zero, but we can put it in there if we want to. Okay. Good enough. Okay. All right. Now, question. So you guys got to know how to do these. These you got to know how to do, right? But those aren't too hard. So we turn the page. This is where it gets hard. Okay. But I'll help you. Okay. Okay. Turn the page. This is where it gets hard. Let's see if we can do these. Okay. So now. There are two ways to do this, okay? One, you could always get out a piece of graph paper. You could. You could always get out a piece of graph paper and -3, -1, -2, 4. You could graph it, point, and do it like we did these. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That will work. We also need to know how to do it without graphing because sometimes the values that we get won't be graphable, okay? So we also, and so when you guys get into higher science classes, you start collecting data. The data doesn't always work so nicely. The numbers aren't always good, are they? So in science, you have to be able to do the math. So let's do these. So 3 steps, like our journal says, okay? So step 1, we're gonna have x1, y1, x2, y2, okay? Now again, I will emphasize to you, if you get to a test or a quiz and you have no clue, graph it. A picture is all worth 1,000 words is what they say, right? But I'm going to do it the other way, okay? So first of all, slope. Let's find m first. So the slope is going to be, this one minus this one. 4 minus a -1 over this one minus this one, -2 minus a -3, okay? So I want us to use the formula because there will be times we can't graph it. So if I simplify that, my slope is going to be a 5/1. Okay, you guys see the 5/1? Second step, there's my first step. Second step, we're going to use our y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, okay? Second step, use our formula, okay? I'm going to put my -1 here. I'm going to put my 5 there. Actually, I'll show it on the board with the marker. It's not actually better. So I'm going to put my -3 is going to go here. My -1 is going to go here. And my 5 is going to go there, okay? See, I got it? So I'm going to rewrite this as y minus a -1 equals 5 times an x minus a -3, okay? This is the hard step, but we can do it. I have faith in us because we're smart. Okay? Now, let's simplify that. So third step is to simplify. Third, let's just tidy it up or simplify. Okay, double negative, right? Y plus 1 equals a 5 times an x plus 3. Double negative, right? Double negative. I'm going to distribute 5x plus 15. So I have a y plus 1 equals a 5x plus 15. And then finally, minus 1, y equals 5x plus 14, okay? Now I can see why this one would have been hard to graph, because in my graph here, would have to go all the way up to 14, right, if I graph those points. Okay, all right, let's try the next one. Let's do the next two, because I'm hoping by the time I do the next two, you'll say, okay, I kind of get it, right? So, 12, same process. These are points. That's really a -2, 1, and that's really a 1, 7. First step, m equals 7 minus 1. this one minus this one, over 1 minus negative 2, okay? This one minus that one, okay? So I get a 6 over 3, or my slope is 2. I'll let you catch up, okay? Scoot it up. So, I went 7 minus 1 over 1 minus 2. I got a 6 over 3, which is 2, okay? Second step, let's use our equation, our new equation. So second step, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, okay? I'm going to go y minus 1 equals 2 times x minus a negative 2. I'll step back and let you think about what I did. I'll put this here. I put this 1 right there, and I put the negative 2 right there.
Y equals 2x plus 5.
You're way ahead. Yes. Okay, so now the third step is to tidy it up. I got a y minus 1 equals a 2 times an x plus 2, yeah. Because I got the double negative. Let's distribute, and I'm going to get a y minus 1 equals a 2x plus 4. Nice job, Alonzo. Totally right. Plus 1, plus 1. I heard y equals 2x plus 5. All right. Now, it's okay to be wrong, but I want you to try the next one, okay, on your own. And I will slowly and quietly also work, but I want you to try number 13 on your own, okay? Try it. And if you can't do it, just wait, and I'll do it with you, okay? So just try it, okay? See if you can do it on your own. So you get 1/4, yeah. 1/4 x plus a 1/4, the other two you get 2. Yeah, nice job. Okay. Okay, give it a try. I'm going to work very slowly ahead of you. Not ahead of you, I'm very slowly behind you. Victor, how's Victor doing on his Friday, Victor? Hang in there, bud.
It's Friday.
I know, we're going to make it. We're going to make it. Do you have to work tonight? Okay, you're good then, huh?
You work?
So, slope, I'm going 3 minus 2 over a 3 minus negative 1, okay? Okay, that's what I got for my slope.
6 over 3.
1 over 4.
Should be 4, right? Wait, why was he doing 7? He did 7 minus 1.
Oh, yeah.
3 minus 2. Why is he switching? Because on this number, 12, he did 7 minus 1. And then on this one, 3 minus 2. Those are the wrong numbers. No, but why is he switching? It's the same thing.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so my slope is 1/4. Okay, thumbs up. Did you guys get 1/4 for slope? 1/4 the slope, okay?
Why is he doing that?
Okay, then I'm going to use my equation. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right? Okay, I got a 1/4 slope. Okay, I'm trying to let you work ahead of me. Okay, some of you are done. Nice job. Okay. Okay, I'm hoping you guys are working ahead of me. How's Will doing? This is hard, isn't it? This is probably the hardest stuff we've done yet. But we can do it. We're smart enough. We can do this. Okay. I'm going to get a y minus 2 equals 1/4 times an x minus minus 1. Okay, you got these numbers. Okay. Okay. Am I working ahead of you? Or are you guys ahead of me? Jen's already done, right? Yes. Y minus 2 equals a 1/4 times an x plus 1, right? I'm going to distribute this times this times this, right? I'm going to have a y minus 2 equals a 1/4 x plus, well, 1/4 times 1 is just 1/4. 1/4 times 1 is just 1/4. Plus 2, y equals 1/4 x plus 2 and 1/4. Okay, did anybody get this answer?